Assalam Alaikum student. Welcome back to my channel WeLoveCodes student. Today we will discuss about data type in Java. Student, in my previous tutorial we talk about ASCII code. If you don't know ASCII code, please watch my previous tutorial. And if you are new on my channel, please subscribe my channel for more new tutorials. And now we'll discuss Java data type. Let's start data type. Data type actually represent memory size and type of variable. Here main question is, what is variable? Variable is a memory location that holds some data or values, and we will discuss variable in more detail in coming tutorials. And now our main topic is data type. Data type generally divided into main categories. One category is permitted data type and other category is non-permitted data type. Permitted data type is also called predefined data type, and non-permitted data type is known as user-defined data type. Okay, and size of non-permitted data type are changeable, but all permitted data types are fixed in size. Okay, and non-permitted data types are derived from permitted data types. Okay, and permitted data type category contain different type of pattern data types like int, double, float, long, byte, short, etc. And on the other side, non-permitted data type category contain various type of user-defined data type like class, array, string, structure, etc. Okay, next. Here, data type generally divided into main groups. One group is permitted data type group and other one is non-permitted data type group. Permitted data type group further split into subcategory. One category is Boolean category and other one is numeric category. Boolean category contain Boolean data type, and Boolean data type variable hold only two values. One value is true and other one is false, but their size is 1 bit. 1 bit may be 0 or 1. 0 represent false and 1 represent true. Okay, 1 represent true and 0 represent false. Okay, and on the other side, numeric category further divided into subgroup. One group is character group and other one is integral group. Character group contain character data type, and character data type variable hold only single character or single symbol, but their size is 2 bytes. Okay, on the right side, integral category further divided into subgroup. One group is integer group and other one is floating point group. Integer group contain different type of 4 built-in data types like int, short, byte, long. Okay, and all these built-in data types are similar because these data types hold only integer value because they belong from same group, and this group is integer group. Okay, due to this reason, these all built-in data types only hold integer values. Okay, but these 4 built-in data types are different from each other due to their sizes. Okay, for example, byte data type variable hold integer value, but their size is 1 byte. 1 byte is equal to 8 bits. Short variable also hold integer value, but their size is 2 bytes. Integer data type variable also hold integer value, but their size is 4 bytes. Long data type variable hold integer value, but their size is 8 bytes. Okay, on the right side, floating point category also contain 2 different type of built-in data type like float data type and double data type. Float data type variable also hold fractional value as well as integer value, but their size is 4 bytes. And double data type variable also hold integer value as well as fractional value, but their size is 8 bytes. Okay, on the right side, non-permitted data type category also contain different type of of user-defined data type like class, array, structure, string, etc. Okay. Next, this table represent size of all permitted data types. Okay, and this table contain three columns. First column for data types, second column for size, and third column represent their description. Okay, and here byte is a built-in data type. Their size is 1 byte. 1 byte is equal to 8 bits. Okay, and they store whole numbers from -128 to 127. Okay, short is another built-in data type, and their size is 2 bytes. They store whole numbers from -32,768 to +32,767. Okay, integer is another built-in data type, and their size is 4 bytes. They store whole number from this number to this number. Okay, similar, long is another built-in data type. Their size is 8 bytes. They store whole number from this number to this number. Okay, and float is another built-in data type. Their size is 4 bytes. Okay, they store fraction number significant for storing 6 to 7 decimal digits. Okay, and boolean is another built-in data type. Okay, and their size is 1 bit. 1 bit may be 0 or 1. 0 mean false and 1 mean true. Okay, and char is another built-in data type. Okay, and their size is 2 bytes. They store only single character or symbol or ASCII values. If you don't know ASCII values, please watch my previous tutorial. Okay, student, I gave you short exercise for your practice. Here first question says add the correct data type for the following variables. Okay, second question says byte, int, long, float, double, boolean, and char are called data type. And third question says typecasting. Typecasting is a separate topic in Java, and we will discuss in coming tutorials. And short meaning of typecasting is change the data type of a variable from one type to another type. Here question 3 says convert the following data type, which is double data type of my double variable, to integer data type. Okay, here double is data type, my double is variable name, and equal is a assignment operator, 9 power 7 AD is a value, and semicolon is terminator. Okay, and how to convert or how to change the data type of one variable. How to change the data type of a variable from one type to another type. Student, you need think about it. Okay, student, if you have any query related to data type, please ask question in comment section. If you like this tutorial, and if this tutorial is helpful for your study, please do like and share this tutorial with your friends, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Take care. Allah Hafiz.